Yeah, if he doesn't get here soon, I'm gonna have to get going. It's a lovely week coming. Oh, gotta go.
Hey, I'm here. How are ya?
Good, hi Ethan. What did you want to talk about? I got your text.
Well, my wheat's about to come off, and I don't want to waste the rest of the growing season on an empty field, but I'm way too busy to wrap my head around a complicated cover crop.
Oh, well, what about a simple recipe?
A recipe?
Yeah, stand back.
Welcome to Cooking with Covers.
So, Ethan, what is the secret to making a good meal?
MSG. No, ingredients. Got potato, some bread, peanut butter and jelly, chips, we need oil, lots of soup.
Whoa, what is all this stuff? We don't need more. We don't need more stuff.
Okay.
Okay, what did your mother used to make you when you were little?
Really hearty and creative stuff. Always something new.
Good.
Craft dinner, sometimes with hot dogs in it. Canned beans, sometimes with hot dogs in it. Cup of soup.
Okay.
Sadly, sometimes with hot dogs in it.
That's nasty. That's nasty. We don't need all that stuff. We want to keep it simple. A few simple ingredients, that's all we need. Here, try this. Good, right? Just like a home-cooked meal, a simple, low-risk cover crop, that's all you need. It's a win.
So how can I get started?
What's your goal?
Well, I want to keep my soil in place and have the roots break up some compaction.
What sort of management considerations do you have for next season?
Well, I'm going into corn, so I don't want anything keeping me off the field when I'm ready to plant.
Well, let's keep it simple. An oat radish mix. It winter kills, it covers the ground quickly, and it busts up compaction. 2 pounds of radish, 50 pounds of oats. That's really all you need.
Are there any herbicide or carryover issues I need to worry about?
Oats and radish are fairly tolerant to anything we'd use in wheat. It is something to be aware of though, for sure. This wheat looks really ready to combine. What's your plan to seed your cover crop?
Well, I have a drill, but I'm thinking I'll broadcast with my P&K application and save myself an extra pass.
Well, that's your recipe. Keep it simple and cover your asset.
Now you've got me hungry for hot dogs.
I could do hot dogs.